Hello, I'm Ms. Shaissa and I welcome you to another online session. Today we're going to read a story about someone's life. So actually we're going to read a biography. So a biography is a detailed third-person account about another person's life. It's not about your life, because that would be an autobiography, but about another person's life. And we will be reading this biography from the book Little People, Big Dreams, Pelé. It's written by Isabel Sánchez Vegara and illustrated by Camila, Rosa. This book has a nice cartoon story. In fact, in the front we can see Pelé holding a football, and inside the book there's a cartoon story about Pelé's life with stylish and quirky illustrations to complement this biography. But we will be reading the last 2 pages at the back of this book, which is full of facts about Pelé, about Pelé's life. So it has a biographical timeline with historical photos. Let's start reading. Baby Edson Arantes do Nascimento was born on October 23, 1940, in the city of Tres Coraícios, 200 miles northwest of Rio de Janeiro. Nicknamed Pelé by his school classmates after he mispronounced the name of his local footballers. He grew up on the poverty-stricken streets of Rio's outer suburbs, where life was what you made of it. Without money to buy a football, he had to create one himself, which he did. From a sock stuffed with newspapers, so he created his own ball. He didn't have money to buy one. Pelé's father taught him how to play football, and he saved for his ball by working in local tea shops. As a young athlete, Pelé played football at indoor stadiums, which increased his speed and developed his lightning quick responses. Rising through the ranks in the youth leagues, he quickly became a future star. When Pelé became the highest scorer in Brazil's football league, aged 16, the Brazilian president declared him a national treasure. This was just the beginning of his beautiful game, which he became known for, expressing joy and happiness as he scored goal after goal in the football field. He went on to score over 1,000 goals in his professional football career, leading Brazil's national team to many World Cup wins. And his enthusiasm did not stop when he retired in 1977. Appointed a United Nations ambassador for ecology and the environment, he also became a UNESCO Goodwill ambassador, dedicating his time to working with children who had grown up in the poverty he experienced as a boy. Today, he remains one of the world's most iconic footballers and the player who brought joy, dance and passion to the game. And up here we also have the historical photos of Pelé, starting from 1958, 1965, 1971 and 2014. Now, for your task, I would like you to write a biography. Choose someone you would like to, and try and find a bit of information about this person. Now, it's very important to remember that a good biography should include the early life of this person, important contributions to society this person might have made, and what the person will be remembered for. So those are the three main ideas you should have in your biography. Let's go into more detail how you should organize your writing. So, in your introduction, first of all, say about who this biography is, where and when this person was born, and also include some interesting facts about this person's childhood, school years and teenage years. And then also include any training, schooling or life experiences that helped shape who this person became later in his life. Then in the body, you should, in the body of your biography, you should write about the important contributions this person made to society. And then to conclude, in your conclusion, you should say if this person died or maybe he's still alive, and mention the most important things for which this person will be remembered. And you can also include some photos to complement your writing. I hope you enjoyed this session and thank you for watching.